Alright, let's go to our camp spot for the night. Let's go this way. Are you excited? So it took us a while to get out of the truck. We had to wait for it all to clear out. The forklift, he brought this stuff right here. This pile of stuff that's right there. He had to forklift that over, and a bunch of people were around, so it took us a while. And hopefully you can hear me good, because we have to be very stealth. So, welcome home.
Oh, we're in our spot.
For the night.
Well done, well done. We got a roof over our head. The rain did let up, but we are prepared. Peter did a fine job keeping a roof over our heads. The parking lot did quiet down. There were some teenagers yelling about 20 minutes ago, but I think they moved along now. So feels pretty quiet. Soon we'll be able to relax.
Yeah. I really wish we brought a sleeping pad. We didn't bring a sleeping pad this time. So.
We don't have compactable sleeping cots,
Yeah.
but we've seen that.
Yeah, you can get like backpack sleeping cots.
Yeah,
I'll
that'd be
look into that. Yeah. That was freaking hard.
Did it though?
Yeah, that was crazy.
That was crazy.
I think it's time for step 2. We're all set up.
Yeah, it's time.
You guys want to see what we have tonight for step 2? Bust it out. Pop it up. We're all cozy under the sleeping bags, sitting here chilling, thinking about how cozy it is. Who knew it'd be so cozy? So freaking funny, I just can't. No, this isn't step 2, baby. We forgot it.
This is the step 2 that we have.
We forgot it.
We forgot it.
We forgot our step 2. Oh, we bought this cool coconut milk.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to show you guys. Oh, good thing we had backup step 2s. So, the backup step 2. Let me get the phone. Let me get this.
It happens.
Backup step 2 tonight is peach beer. Non-alcoholic, because we don't drink alcohol. So our step 2 is a non-alcoholic peach wheat ale beer. And then Amanda's. You want to explain yours?
Yeah.
Here, you go explain.
Okay.
Alright.
Mine is non-alcoholic Lone Tree Cider. Thank you. But I'm not having it alone.
No. We gotta do the quiet stealth. buddy.
That's good. Okay, I'm gonna finish cracking this.
Yeah, we're gonna be stoned.
It's not going to be done.
I can do it. I can do it better. Watch. Watch.
Oh, that was long though. That was just quick snap. Cheers.
That was so funny.
I think he might be rolling back again though.
Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy this for a couple minutes.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn off the light for a couple minutes and just make sure it's all good around here.
Yeah, he seems busy.
Yeah. Alright. So, I don't even think. Turn it on, babe. Turn it on bright. Turn it on the brightest. Oh, you gotta turn the battery pack on first. Technical difficulties. There we go. Oh, turn that down. We stick out. Right there. That's perfect. That looks pretty stealthy. That's awesome. Alright, so what do we got in the bag for food? Tonight we're cooking up
A storm.
a storm.
Ukrainian borscht.
Yeah.
And it's Canadian made. It's plant-based nutrition. And it's a total health check. Nut-free, gluten-free. So all you have to do is boil 1.5 cups of water, and this pot over here equals 1.5 cups of water. So we boil this, open up the bag, add the water from the kettle, close up the bag, and you wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes, give it a good stir, and voila, dinner is served, or snack.
Nice.
Yeah, so pretty simple.
That's exciting.
And you can pick up these bags, these mountain food, I think they call it mountain food hiking pack bags, at most Canadian Tires, which is Canadian, and also any kind of big retail outdoor store. Let's see, this little compact gadget.
Yeah. So cool.
We're gonna warm it up in here.
Yeah, we are.
That's for sure.
Can you open a window?
Yeah, it's around. This is exciting.
Measuring it.
Let's see how quick it boils. Yeah, that looks good.
That on there. Close the lid.
Mm.
Maybe we'll turn that up a bit.
Do you mind opening?
Yeah. I don't think we need the light on.
No? You got enough light?
Yeah.
We're probably gonna really want to stand it up so much.
This is the first pack with this.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, that smells funky.
Actually, I like the smell. It smells so good.
You can see, it smells seasoned.
Oh my gosh, that actually smells really good.
Can't wait. That's what it looks like.
Oh, right there.
Right there.
That's
That's interesting.
yeah.
Let's watch my hands.
Yep. You're good.
Ooh, the bag getting hot.
So here, let me get this light. Yeah, there you go. Oh.
Alright. You're going spoon, I'm going fork.
I wanted some of the juices. It actually smells like a beef stew.
It does.
Oh my God,
Cheers.
cheers.
Well, she not do bad.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I highly recommend these. There was only like, how much was it? 12 bucks?
This one I think was 16
Oh, okay.
Canadian.
Yeah, they're all different prices.
Right in the plant. Oh, it's not too bad.
No.
Alright, so classic game at dinner.
Well, the rest of the food was really good.
Yes, it was.
I enjoyed that.
Me too.
Highly recommend it.
I feel better.
Yeah, me too.
Good thing we ate before you lose. I mean, just good thing we ate.
So, if you're new here, welcome.
Welcome.
If you've subscribed, thank you.
We appreciate it.
If you enjoy the content, please give us a thumbs up. That'd be much appreciated.
And feel free to leave a comment down below. Any comments, questions, concerns are always welcome.
Yeah. You can go first, sweetie.
Alright. Your turn.
You know.
That one, and that one.
What's the chances?
Did you have it?
It's the one. I won. I finally won.
Wow!
Yay.
Good job! I talked the talk, but you walked the walk.
This time.
Good game.
Good game, hon. That was so much fun.
That was awesome. It's been an epic adventure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. So I think that's it. I think we're gonna call it a night, lay down, and try and get some sleep before the sun comes up and we have to pack up and get out of here.
Yeah.
Before the workers come and open the store and we get kicked out.
But.
What?
We're not gonna get kicked out.
Nah.
We've done it.
We're done.
Almost, anyways.
We've committed the crime 75%.
And now we can fall asleep with the trinkles of rain.
Yeah, so harmonic. Oh, I love it. Okay.
So peaceful.
See you guys in the morning. Alright, that was a short but sweet sleep.
Very short, very sweet.
Hi.
Morning.
Good morning. That was fun.
That was fun.
That was epic. Now it's time to pack up.
Pack up and hit the road.
Get out of here before we get caught.
That's right.
That's the first thing you do. You get up on time, get out before anybody shows up.
Well, let's get to it.
Alright. Oh, yeah. So the forklift driver, he was driving back and forth. Oh man, he was keeping me up, but I was snoozling, but I could hear it. Yeah?
No.
No?
I didn't hear that.
I was like, oh, is he gonna see us? Is he gonna see us? And then just, we're so in here, I guess.
That's funny.
As you can see in the footage, like, it was pretty cool.
Pretty comfy.
Yeah. But we're gonna pack up and we'll get into the truck and we'll see you there. drove by, so we have a few minutes to get out of here and get it fully packed real quick. This extender pole came in so handy. Oh my gosh. I think I paid $22 at Canadian Tire. Oh, you I just hit my head.
Oh shit.
Yeah, really bad. Oh, what? Yeah. That sucked. So, as I was explaining, I bought it for $22 at Canadian Tire, the Canadian store. Oh, gosh. The forklift driver keeps driving by. Alright. As you can see, we are all packed up. We are putting everything back to normal, how we found it. Alright, I think we got everything. One last check.
It's good.
Alright, I think that was the perfect crime. We gotta get out of here. This never happened. Go ahead. No, let's go this way. You never go back the way you came.
We've already committed the crime. We can go. We didn't steal nothing. We just slept.
I hear him coming.
What's up?
He's coming.
Oh, here he comes.
Yeah. He's taking another round.
That was fun.
That was amazing. We completed.
Yeah. Alright, the truck is nice and close. Not too far.
Here you go, sir.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Dang. Oh.
Alright, let's go park. Alright, let's go park over by Home Depot. How ironic.
That fella over there is a hard worker.
Yeah.
He's been moving that thing all night. That forklift.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So crazy.
I didn't even expect that people just do that. But I guess you gotta. There's our alarm. We woke up early.
Hey.
Well, better early than late.
That's
Is what I say. So we just wanted to touch base on the giveaway, the $1,000 giveaway. We're not gonna just go through all the videos. We're gonna go live. So if you want to win $1,000, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna let everybody know. We'll set a date. We're gonna go live so everybody knows the date and the time, and we'll give well ahead of notice. And we're gonna go live, and you show up. You tell us your name, We put it on the spinning wheel, and we're gonna give it an hour. We'll be live for an hour, and when an hour goes off, done. We're hitting that button.
Game over.
Yep. We're hitting that button, and the winner will be announced randomly by the computer.
Live.
Generated. Live.
All live.
All live.
Yep.
So stay tuned for that.
Good luck to y'all.
Stay beautiful, and don't forget to don't from no one.
Until next time.